Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is day 13 of our 20-day React course. In previous video, we learned about how to add CSS in React using inlines, external CSS and CSS modules. Today we are going to learn something very important, which is conditional styling and dynamic classes in React. Conditional styling mean applying styling based on conditional. When I click any button, it should make a text to green, and for that let me make a simple code here. Let me make a simple example like here in app.jsx. Let make a variable. Through this, the our h1, which is hello react, should have a color which is green, and it's not working. Okay. And it's working. And I also made a variable login true. Okay. Uh, I want like if login is true, it should its color should be true, and if login is false, its color should be red. So for that, I'm making login. It will change login, and it will make it, if it is true, it will render green. If it is not, then it will render red. Okay, because the login is true, our color value will be green. Let make value of login to false. Now you can see hello react changed to red. This is the basic of conditional styling. We can also make it using state. Let me give a simple example here. Uh, and here I'm making a button and making an event here on click set. Okay, now it should work. Initially, the value of login is true. That's why it is showing it in green. And when I click on change, the value of login will invert to false, and the value become false, and it will render it will give color to red. And you can see it is working. This is how to implement dynamic styling using useState. Now let we use uses classes name. I am now making like in CS. I'm making. Let me write a CSS here. Dot active and btn, and if it is active, then bgc become yellow, and in normal it should BGC should echo. Okay. Now let make change in app.jsx. Here, I want like I'm giving the class name here, class name, where I want like if here let me write one more state here, const style one, comma style two, comma set style equal to use state initial value is true. And now I want like in class name I am writing a JS here, style 1. If it is true, the class name value become active btn. Otherwise it will be normal. Okay, and now here I am need to import a.css. Okay. Oh, here you can see the initial value of style is true. That's why it activate it using the button active button as a class, and it styled the component background to yellow. Similarly, uh, let if it let me change the value from here. Button change VG. Here on click, I want like on click set style to invert or style one. Let's remove one from here and here as well and here as well. Now I have two buttons. From first, it will change the color of text, and so from second, it will change the color of background. I'm clicking on background and it changed the background color to aqua because I made CSS in which dot normal class will change color to aqua, background color to aqua, and if the button is not active, it is activated its background color to yellow. Now I want, and here you can also use template literals make it here you can write like this and dollar sign and I'm sorry, it should be here and like this. Here you can like this. Now it should also work. You can also use it like this. It generally use this template literal, and you can also use and operator if you only have active button. You want only active button like it can be used like if it is this, then like this it will work like this, and if it is false it will show nothing in the background. Okay, this is for the day. We have learned how to make conditional styling and dynamic classes in React, and we will meet tomorrow in the next video.